Baltimore businesses destroyed in Freddie Gray riots are getting brutal legal vengeance. No other city perhaps best exemplifies the failure of progressive policies better than Baltimore. Since its glory days of the 50s when the population peaked at about 950,000 residents, Baltimore has experienced a steady decline of its once thriving working middle class. Today the city's population has shrunk to about 37%, comprised mostly of low-income African Americans living within the inner city. Baltimore is a microcosm of how Democratic politicians both black and white have used the inner cities of America for countless decades by exploiting the most vulnerable within our society. Moreover, following the death of Freddie Gray, a homeless small-time hood with an extensive police record, while in police custody, the city of Baltimore was about to explode. All that was needed was a spark to light the fuse, and Mayor Stephanie Rawlings-Blake was that fuse, by first allowing marauding youths to assemble in the street, then ignoring the pitched battle with police, then instructing police to stand down, then finally going public stating we also gave those who wish to destroy space to do that as well, and we worked very hard to keep that balance and to put ourselves in the best position to de-escalate. Now she and the current mayor Catherine Pugh are both named in a lawsuit by scores of business owners who've had their businesses destroyed and their lives ruined. The attorneys for the business owners held a news conference recently announcing the city failed them when they adopted a policy of restraint and issued stand-down orders, caring more about the public perception that they feared would result with increased police presence than preventing what were clearly preventable riots. The court filing is over 700 pages long, and lists in comprehensive detail exactly what happened between April 18 and April 25 when at least 20 police officers were injured, 250 people arrested, and 285 to 350 businesses damaged or destroyed, and over 150 vehicles set on fire. The lawsuit asks for compensation for the damages but does not list a specific dollar amount. Do you think the city of Baltimore is responsible for the severe damages that thug BLM rioters inflicted on these businesses? Tell us in the comments below if you think Baltimore should have done a lot more to stop the destruction of property by BLM rioters.